kids. Let's learn some colors and match the shapes with number. Light pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color, blue color, black color, pink color, brown color, peacock green color, orange color, red color, green color. 1. Number 1. Red color. This is oval. 1 oval. So 1 number. Match the with 1 oval. 1 number, 1 oval. Red color. Blue color. 2. Number 2. One heart. 1 heart. 2 heart. 2 number, 2 hearts. Let's match the number with shapes. 2 number, 2 heart. Blue color. Pink color. 3. Number 3. Pink color. 3 triangle. 1 triangle. 2 triangle. 3 triangle. 3 number, 3 triangle. 3 number, 3 triangle. Pink color. Sky blue color. 4. Number 4. 4 star. 1 star. 2 star. 3 star. 4 star. Let's match the 4 number with 4 star. 4 number, 4 star. Sky blue color. Dark green color. Number 5. 5 number, 5 vertical rectangle. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 number, 5 rectangle. Dark green color. Orange color. Number 6. 6 number, 6 circle. 1 circle. 2 circle. 3 circle. 4 circle. 5 circle. 6 circle. Let's match the 6 circle with 6 number. 6 number, 6 circle. So 1 number, 1 oval. 2 number, 2 heart. 3 number, 3 triangle. 4 number, 4 star. 5 number, 5 vertical rectangle. 6 number, 6 circle. 1 number, 1 oval. 2 number, 2 heart. 1, 2. 2 heart. 3 number, 1, 2, 3. 3 triangle. 3 number, 3 triangle. 4 number, 4 star. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. 4 number, 4 star. 5 number, 5 vertical rectangle. 1 vertical rectangle, 2 vertical rectangle, 3 vertical rectangle, 4 vertical rectangle, 5 vertical rectangle. 5 number, 5 vertical rectangle. 6 number, 6 circle. 1, 2, 3 circle, 4 circle, 5 circle, 6 circle. 6 number, 6 circle. Blue color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.